Today we are looking at circle geometry. In the diagram below, angle 200 degrees is subtended at the center of the circle. Find the value of x. This is the circle with the inscribed shape here, in this case triangle. And we are asked to calculate the value of the unknown angle x here. This is WASSCE 2009 question number 38, objective text. So we are going to use some theorems in addressing this problem for us to get the value of x. Okay? When you look at this shape, let's name this angle A, angle B, and then C. The first thing we need to know here is the fact that this is a reflex angle 200 degrees. So the angle that we have here, that is, if this place is center O, angle BOC is equal to 160 degrees. That is, BOC is equal to 360 degrees minus 200 degrees. That's equal to 160 degrees. And what's the reason? That's angles at a point. Sum of angles at a point. So here is 160 degrees. And one of the theorems of circle geometry is that angle subtended at the center of a circle is twice angle at the circumference. That is, we have this angle 160 here subtended at the center of this circle, and the angle at the circumference here is angle A. So what that means is angle A, that is BAC. BAC is equal to half of angle BOC. That is angle at the center of a circle, angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. So if that is the case, we have BAC here equal to half of BOC, which is 160 degrees. So with this, we have half of this equal to 80 degrees. So BAC has been found to be 80 degrees. The next thing we need to know here is that this BO and CO are radii of this circle, and they are equal. The same thing, by the time we reproduce or introduce a line here to that point A or angle A, you are going to have another radius, which is also equal to line OB and line OC. And by implication, the angle here and the angle here will be equal. Because if this is a radius also, and here is a radius, we are going to have an isosceles triangle where two sides are equal. Consequently, the base angles will be equal, so that if here is 30 degrees, here will be 30 degrees as well. Also, when you look at OAC, that is this second triangle here, you discover that this line OC is a radius, while OA is also a radius. By implication, this line and this line are equal, implying that this triangle also is an isosceles triangle. And if the lines here are equal, the base angle here and this place will be equal, implying that here too is x. So this angle here is x, this angle here is also x, just as this angle is 30 degrees because here is also 30 degrees. But we have found angle BAC, which is that angle, to be 80 degrees here. So what we now need to do to get the value of x is to equate the sum of these to 80 degrees. That is, we have angle BAC is equal to 30 degrees plus x, and that is equal to 80 degrees. So if 30 plus x is equal to 80 degrees, we have x equal to 80 degrees minus 30 degrees equal to 50 degrees. So this is the value of x in this equation, and the corresponding option here is option B.